little bit about your hair, Annie. I remember you mentioning that these weren't as tight as regular box braids.
They are not as tight as regular box braids. You know, the regular ones felt kind of heavy and pulling at my scalp, and it took like a day or two for them to loosen up, but these feel good. Like, it doesn't hurt to flip the hair back and forth and to put it into styles, which is nice.
What's up? Okay, and how you feeling your sprinkles? You know, tell me a little bit about it. Come close to the camera, let them see what you got, what you're working with.
I am loving these lock sprinkles. You know, last time I jazzed it up by putting, like, what are those little middle things called?
Those cuffs.
The little cuffs, the metallic cuffs on them. But I don't think I'll need to do that with these, you know, because they're already jazzed up. But yeah, it just makes my hair more interesting and, you know, gives it some flavor. And yeah, I'm excited to wear these out and tell them that I have braids by Braids, and they can get theirs if they want to be like me.
Okay. What's up? Anne's the best. Okay, I'm gonna give you an up close and personal look of Anne's hair. You want to see Anne's hair some more? She might post it to Instagram. Her Instagram is Chevrose. That's it, right?
Chev__Rose.
Okay, yep. So it's Chev __. I'll put the stuff in the stuff so you can see the stuff, okay? Okay. Yay. Oh, you look so good. Okay. And give us like a little 360s or something, you know. There you go.